Hey guys, we received these four candies, 39 pieces, aesthetic school supplies with a cute pen case. So this is for test and try, and we received this pouch. As you can see, the pouch is really nice, smooth, and very nice looking. So this have a set of bunches of the things inside. So like the pens, so very smooth pen here. So there are approximately five pens. These are the refills for the rubber. These are the mechanical pencils. So these bags have almost I will say six mechanical pencils, six lead refills, five gel pens, one foldable pencil case, five gel refills, three erasers, nine erasers refills, and 12 highlighters. So while writing, I can see like it's really feel really good. And these are the highlighters, and you can see all the highlighters here with the different colors. So the good thing is this also comes with the refills, the mechanical pencils comes with the mechanical refills, and the pens comes with the gel refills. Also have the eraser refills on the top that you can use, and you can also replace the lead from the top. So very nice design, very nice quality, as I can feel it here in the hand, very easy to handle and carry. Also the nice quality things. So I will try to show as much as I can, but I have to limit the video as well. So all the different colors of the highlighters, and you can see this really looks nice. This have a cap on the top and then on the other things. So the mechanical pencils, and of course these are the mechanical pencils rubber refill kit. You can use this rubbers and you can just replace one if it is gone with the other one. So a nice thing that it have a inbuilt eraser, as well as you can use that for refill. So there are the eraser, and eraser also have a great color combination here. So I will just show the eraser as well. So I like the colors of these erasers, and just see like if there is a pencil thing, I just try to rub. And these are the really smooth gel pens, and I can see like very nice hold and very nice grip. Also have a pen clip and a soft touch. So these are the lead refills, like the refills for other mechanical pencils. Once your lead is gone, you can use this to refill them. This also comes in a different sizes, as you can see it here. And then taking out the safety thing is nice. So you can replace these leads into the mechanical pencils and use it for a longer time. So replacement is easy as well. Just remove the back rubber, put the new lead, and then put in the eraser and then the stuff. So as I said, you have a different sizes of lead here, and that you can use. So the other good thing with this pouch that you can extend this for the larger space. So this have a really good size space, and you can store more stationary items inside it. So you can just store all these things in one, and your pouch can hold other stuff as well. There is also a designated pockets in this pouch for your stuff. So these are the refillable gel refills that you can use. So as I said, they really provide a great thing. So like say for the pen, you can open and replace. So these are the refills once you are used with the first one. So a nice set, I will say a nice quality, nice design with keeping everything in mind, and also have a great zipper thing, and the extension thing for the pouch itself with a different size of the lead or the different lead diameter. So basically, it's a nice thing, I will say, and very helpful for the kids or even for the adults if they just want to use this one. So the mesh zipper, an extendable pouch, and just take it anywhere you want with a nice quality and band. And yep, so you can also close to just reduce the size. Very nice set.